Hello, everybody. Dave here, and I am coming at you with more high protein vegetarian recipe inspiration. This time it's 5 breakfasts that are ready in 10 minutes or less. If you don't know me already, I'm Dave. I'm one of the co founders of Hurry the Food Up. We are a vegetarian website that specializes in weight loss and muscle building through high protein recipes. I love eating, I love tasty food, and I like to make sure the food is as efficient as possible so you can make it in large batches and you can just cook it quickly. So, less time in the kitchen is the better. All right, first up, we've got the super quick Mediterranean omelette. Now, omelette is the first recipe my mum ever taught me to make. I've tested probably 1,000 omelettes over my cooking time. I love them, and this is one of my absolute favorites. We use a low fat cheese in here because with low fat cheese, you would generally get more protein, less fat, and therefore fewer calories. In the past, or if you cook it wrongly, you would lose the taste. Now, because we're going to get the other flavor combos just right, we're going to get even more protein and just the same amount of taste. This recipe is super quick. We're talking maximum 5 minutes prepping, maximum 5 minutes cooking, and you're going to get 27 grams of protein at just 348 calories. If that's not quite enough, add some whole grain toast in to bulk it up a little bit. You won't regret it. All right, next, high protein overnight oats. Very, very easy to make, no cooking involved. And of course, the kids can make these in their own favorite ways as well. So, you can make breakfast for the whole family very quickly. Kids can make their own, add their own toppings, some extra honey, chocolate sprinkles, or choose their own fruits, for example. So you can kind of please all comers with this one. All right. 23 grams of protein and 436 calories. So it's nice and filling and will keep you going for hours. Okay, cheesy scrambled eggs are next. Scrambled eggs, of course, are an all time classic. Cheese adds extra protein, but if you don't get it right, then they can turn out kind of hard, dry, and just overall not particularly appetizing. But if you get the cooking part of it right, you're going to cook them slowly, softly, and they're going to end up juicy, moist, and very tasty. Super quick recipe, 2-3 minutes to prep, 2-3 minutes to cook. Done. Awesome. Enjoy. Number 4, it's the blueberry banana protein smoothie. Now, believe it or not, in this recipe, we use cottage cheese as the main source of protein. And you know what? It really works. It's weirdly tasty. Its texture is weirdly good. And of course, it is absolutely rammed with protein 27 grams of it at about 500 calories. Definitely make it the night before. I would also highly recommend frozen blueberries. Where we live, if I leave blueberries out on the side for more than a day, maybe 2 days, they will grow mold. And of course, we don't want that. So keep a box of frozen blueberries in the freezer and you're good to go anytime. You can just add them straight into the smoothie as you make it. All right, final recipe. We've got the tomato mozzarella breakfast bread. In my humble opinion, cheese and bread is one of the greatest combos ever. Change my mind. And this one is even more flavorful than usual. Check out the recipe to see why. Again, we're going to use a low fat cheese in here, but we're going to get the rest of the flavor right so you don't even notice. Again, more protein, fewer calories. Again, whole grain bread, definitely use it over white. The benefits of it are massive. So whenever you can, really swap out white breads or white grains for the whole grain variety. All right, guys. So that was 5 recipes all ready in under 10 minutes. So very quick mornings are yours for the taking. If you need more inspiration or you need lunch and dinner, who doesn't? Make sure you get your free 7-day vegetarian meal plan. The link is in the comments. All right. Have a good one. Bye for now.